बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम व खातिमन नबिय्यीन सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। In this video we will learn how to repair electric stove. In the down tray in micro oven there is a one heater element that was not working. Now let's see. Now we are checking this one. No red light getting on right side. Now we took this one to workshop and open the heater from back side, and we will check with meter continuity and 220 voltage. See, here we open and we check the pulse with tester. Here we check the phase pulse is coming. We can feel easily here, but now we check with meter. There is no electricity, 220 voltage. Actually the main problem with there is inside main controller switch that controls all the functions. We check here step by step all the wires okay. There is no missing wire, no sparking. There 3 wire leads to phase towards this main gang switch. This is the main switch that leads supply. भाईजान इसमें सिर्फ यही स्विच ये चेंज किया है, बाकी सब कुछ ठीक है. This is the phase that is coming from first of all the phase comes out from element. The wire we can see here inserted in this gang switch that controls all the functions. Actually the main problem is element switch thermostat controller. Here I will show you that controls. See this wire that I catch in my hand and the same wire heat level in the front of this wire, both same color. The connection between 2 wires gone broken and we need to replace this switch. Now here we replace the switch, new one, and set again the front cover with screws. Now we make it on. The yellow light you can see here on, also fan working, also upside heater working, and this green light, small one, you can see. Here we have replaced the new button, new switch, that's mashallah working well. Before there was no heating in this micro oven downside. Alhamdulillah, now we select this temperature level and you can see now it's getting work. Now it's working well, you can see. Actually due to overheating the main gang switch gone melted and that was needed to replace, and finally here we can see the yellow light also working, fan also working, heat is very well. We can cook everything, it's ready to cook, and we will try to cook chicken. This is the selector, heat selector. Thank you for watching video. Please like, comment, share and press the bell icon to get updated.